Welcome, grade 4. Today we are going on a journey to the center of the earth. Are you ready to become a scientist with me? Let's go. Look at this beautiful picture of the earth from space, page 20. What shape do you see? Yes, it's a sphere, like a giant ball. We see a blue color, which refers to water, and also we see some brown and green color is referred to the land and forest grasses. Also, we see some white colors which refer to clouds and ice. But here's the secret. Have you ever wondered what is under your feet, deep down? It's not just dirt. Since we can't cut the earth into half because it's too big, scientists use models. Look at this page 21. This model help us to know the layers of the earth. This page is consist of layers like earth is consist of layers also. Scientists use page as it contains three layers like the earth. The first layer is the thin skin, the outer thin layer. It is the skin which protects the fruit. The second layer is the fleshy, this flesh part. It is the juice part in the middle. Also, we have the inner hard part, the stone, the bite, the hard part in the center. Earth also has layers like the peach and like the egg. If you have a boiling egg, you will find this egg is consist of layers also. The outer egg shell, like the crust layer of the earth. So we have the same thing. The earth have outer layer, it is a thin. Also, the egg has the outer layer which is called a shell. In the earth, the outer layer, it is called crust. Okay? The crust is a thin outer layer where we live. It is made of solid. So, again, crust. It is the outer thin layer. Okay, this is the outer thin layer where we live. It is made of what? It is made of a solid rock. Okay, under the ocean, its thickness about 5 kilometers, and under mountains, it is about 70 kilometers. Okay, also it is a cool in temperature. It is a cool. Its temperature is suitable for us to live on and walk on. The second part in our egg, it is the middle layer, which is white color. Also, our earth contains the middle layer, which is called mantle. So, the second layer of our earth is called mantle. Mantle is the thickest layer in the earth. It is about 3,000 kilometers, so it is thick. About 3,000 kilometer thickness. Also, it is so hot that some rocks melt into a thick liquid called a magma. So it is so hot It is about 1000 Celsius degree. Okay? It is consist of melted rocks called magma. Okay, that is the middle layer. The last layer in our egg, it is called the yolk or albumin. But in our earth, it is called a core. So the inner layer in our earth called a core. Number 3. It is called the core. In our earth, the core is consist of 2 layers also. It is divided to 2 parts. The inner and the outer. Outer core and inner core. The outer core is liquid. It is consist of liquid iron and nickel. Okay? And the inner core, it is solid. Okay? Why it is solid? It is solid due to the high pressure on it. So this high pressure of all earth layer on the inner core make it very solid and also very hot. Its temperature reaches to about 6000 Celsius degree. It is like the sun. Okay? So again, we have the 3 layers of the earth. The first layer is the outer layer. It is called the crust. Crust is a thin layer where we live. It is made of solid rock under the ocean. It's a thickness about 5 kilometers, and the under mountain is thickness about 70 kilometers. Its temperature is cool enough for us to walk on and live. The second layer of our earth, it is the mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer. It is about 3000 kilometer depth, and it is so hot that some rocks melt into a thick liquid called a magma. This magma moves slowly like a heavy syrup or a liquid chocolate. Its temperature is high. It is about 1000 Celsius degree. The last layer is the core, and this core is divided into 2 layers. The outer core, which is made of liquid iron and nickel, and the inner core, even though it is the hottest part, it's about 6000 Celsius degree, as hot as the sun. It is solid and hot due to the pressure from the rest of Earth is squeezing it so hard. Okay? Now we finish our Earth layer, and I hope you understand well. Goodbye to the next part.